بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے۔
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق۔
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا۔
خلق الانسان من علق۔
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی۔
اقرأ وربک الاکرم۔
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے۔
الذی علم بالقلم۔
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا۔
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم۔
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا۔
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. Welcome to all students and parents in our academic session 2020 to 21, and this is a class 4 and the period is mathematics. First of all, we introduce our book and maintenance of your copy. This is your maths book and the name is Macmillan Mathematics Pupils Book 4A. And I do again Macmillan Mathematics Pupils Book 4A, and the writer name is Paul Broadbent. For checking the session, read the back page of your book. Now move on your copy. This is your maths copy. First you fill the cover page, write name, class, section, roll number, subject. Now open and provide your basic information with the help of your parents. Now fill your index with date and a question according to day wise. Now move on your first page of the copy. Make the title page of first semester midterm has been started. The title page must be colorful and more impressive. On the next page, make the title page of revision of the large number. Now the question is arise, what is the large number? Before we start a large number, we provide a basic information about numbers. The number start with the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till 9. That this all called the first digit number, and the first digit number also called unit. We move on the two-digit number. When we plus 1 in 9, it makes 10. 10 is the origin of the two-digit number. The two-digit number and is 11, 12 and the end on 99. That is also called tens or two-digit number. When we plus 1 in 99 makes 100, 100, 101, 102 until 999. These all digits are three digits number, like 1, 2, 3 makes three digit and also called hundreds. And three digit numbers. When we add 1 in 999 makes 1000, 1000, 1001, 1002 till 9999. That is the ending point of four digit number. It makes 1000, also called the thousands. When we add in 9999 makes 10,000. 10,000 is the origin of the five digit number. 10,000, 20,000 till 90,999. Also called 10,000 or 5-digit numbers. 10,000s or 5-digit numbers. Large number not in 4-digit number or 5-digit number, it is also in millions, 10 millions. Now what is the large number? Large numbers or large numbers are 4-digit or 5-digit and so on. For example, $4,239, it is a large number, but when we write 50,629, it is also a large number. So write some large numbers in your copy, on the rough pages of your copy. Now how can we read a large number? The question is arise, how can we read a large number? Just like I write a number, how can we read? We start from the left side of the number. This is a large number. We start from the left side of the number. First number is unit, second is 10, third is 100, 4 is 1000, that is 10,000. We can also understand these numbers through these tables. First number is 9, that is unit. Second is 2, that is 10. Third is 3, this is 100. 4 is 2, that this is 1000. And the 5 is 10,000. Now I repeat again. The number we start from 0 to 9, this is unit. The number start from 10 to 99, that this is 10. The number start from 100 to 999, this is hundreds. And the number start from 1000 to 9999, these are thousands. And then when the number start from 10,000, from 99,999, these are 10,000s. Now we move on our work which is provided in our content. Question number 1, write these numbers in words. First of all, we take the numbers and read out these numbers from from the left side of the number. First number is unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. When we write these numbers in words, write 47,000, 200, and 99. The question number 2 is write these numbers in your maths counting, that is 7,400,941. We take 7 from 7 millions, 400,941. When we read this number, we start from the left side of the number. The first number is unit, second is 10, third is 100, 4 is 1000, 5 is 10,000, and 6 number is 100,000. We can describe these numbers according to these tables. We divide these tables into 3 portions, that is ones, hundreds, and thousands. Unit and 10. The first number is unit, this is 9. Second number is 2, this is 10. And the third number is 3, this is 100. When we move on the thousands, this number is 2, is the unit of the thousand. Second number is 5, is the hundred of the thousand, and the third number is 1. This is 100,000 of the numbers. We write these numbers more in millions, 10 millions. When we move our discussion, this increase the quantity of the numbers. That's enough for today. This is a small revision from your class 3rd. Now in the next class, we start our unit number 1, that is decimal numbers. This work is also provided in your solution papers. So do your work in your maths copy and practice in another rough copy of your given content. Thank you. If you have any problems, watch this video again and again. Allah Hafiz.